never get a visa if you are confused and they are not aware of how to apply for a visa. Can they even apply for a visa by themselves? To know the rules and regulation of each country, so please don't take the help of any agency. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Desi Videsi Girl. I am back again with another video as promised to help you guys if you are planning to move to Germany, or if you're already in Germany, then definitely I am here to help you guys so that you know a little bit more about Germany. This video is for all those people who are planning to move to Germany and they are confused like how to apply for the visa and what is the visa process. If you guys are interested in knowing how I found a job in Germany, then I have made a lot of videos on that where I have shared my entire interview experience. If you guys are interested, I will share the link of those videos in the description and also in this video itself. But in this video, I will not be talking about the interview process or how I got a job. This will be completely dedicated to the visa process, and I would try to keep it short so that it is also easier for you guys to watch this video till the end. So guys, this video is going to be very short and very informative. So please stay with me till the end and also share this video with all those people whom you think this video will be of any help. So without any further delay, let's start this video. Before I jump into this video, I would like to give a bit of insight that why did I choose this topic. So few days back in my Instagram channel, I did a poll where I asked people to ask me question about how to move to Germany or life in Germany, job in Germany, or anything related to Germany in general. So this question a lot of people have asked me is, can you make a video on the visa process, or how did you apply for your visa when you moved to Germany? So this question was asked 10 times. So I thought that it's very important that I make a video because it seems that a lot of people are confused and they are not aware of how to apply for a visa, or for the matter, even they don't know that can they even apply for a visa by themselves. So I'm not talking about the chance kate, because this is something definitely you have to apply yourself, or you can take help of agencies to get that done. But I am talking about the employment visa. Can you apply this visa by your own? So the answer is, guys, yes, you can apply for employment visa by your own, or the employer can also do it for you. So there are some big companies which I know, like Siemens. They are the one who has a dedicated unit who will take care of the entire process. This is something you don't even have to worry about, think about. So they not only sponsor your visa, they also take care of the entire visa process of your family, like your wife, your children, and everything is taken care by them. But then there are a lot of companies who are quite hesitant in hiring people from other countries, especially outside Europe, because of the entire visa hassle, because they do not have a dedicated department who know about this process, or they are a smaller company. So what should you do in this case? Should you let go the opportunity, or is there any way by which you can come to Germany, and that also without much hassle? So guys, I can tell you that you can apply the employment visa by your own, and sometimes it is the company that will confuse you, because what I feel is that a lot of companies are not aware of the visa process, and it is not the fault of the company also, because why they are hesitant I understand, because each country has their own rules, own regulations, and it is very difficult for a company to know the rules and regulation of each country. So that is the reason a lot of companies refrain from doing that. But that is absolutely not a problem. You can do it by your own. In the description, I will be sharing the link of the website where you can apply for your visa. So there are few points which I would like to discuss with you, and these points are anyways mentioned in the portal. You can even go through them, but there are mainly 4 requirements which I thought that I should also tell upfront in this video. First is that you should have a passport. That is expected, right? Because that's your mainly the document that is required when you are traveling from one country to another country. So second is that you should not have any criminal record. You should not have any kind of charges on you. So the background verification is really strict. You will never get a visa if you have a criminal record, or if somebody has put any kind of allegation on you, and if that has not been cleared. So the third thing is that you should have enough money. Definitely you have to show enough money that you can have a safe livelihood in Germany. Mainly what the German government is concerned is that you have enough money in your bank account with which you can survive in Germany for some months. So that money you have to show in your bank account when you are applying for a visa. But if you already have a valid job contract which states that you will be working from XYZ month, then in that case, that also gives a kind of assurance to the German government that once you are coming here, you have a job and you will earn some money from that particular job. And in that case, you do not have to show a blocked account or some amount of money in your bank. Obviously, it's good to show a bank account where you have certain amount of money, because that will always act in your favor. But if you have a job offer, and if it is not like after 6 months or 8 months of you moving to Germany, then in that case your job offer is a valid proof and you do not have to show that amount of money in your bank account. Now coming to my case, so I have told you in a lot of videos that I got a job when I was back in India before I moved to Germany, but I did not have the offer letter in my hand when I moved to Germany, because the company had said that they want the last round of interview to be done when I am here in Germany. My case is quite different because I had to come to Germany and my husband was already staying in Germany for a long time, and I came here on dependent visa. The reason why I was giving interviews from back in India itself, because I did not want to waste my time here. Like I had to take some months of gap, give interview. So I wanted this entire process to be done beforehand so that when I am here, I don't have to wait much and I can join a job. But if I would have to apply for a visa myself, I knew the processes completely and I would have done that entirely myself. So please don't take the help of any agency, because this is not something that you cannot do yourself and you need someone's help. The process is very clearly mentioned in the website. Just go to the website, go through all the steps. If needed, ask me in the comment section. I will help you out. I know a lot of people who have done this entire process by their own, and it is definitely not difficult, and definitely I am there to help you. So if you need any kind of help, then do let me know in the comment section. And that's it guys, this is what I wanted to share in this video. And if you like my video, then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. So my YouTube channel is really small and I want it to grow so that more and more people know about my channel, and I will be able to help a lot more people. And definitely this also acts as a motivation for me to create more such videos. So please guys, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Till then, take care and stay tuned to my channel. Bye bye.